It's time to see who's at the head of the class. This is heading progression. Here we're teaching players to safely and accurately head a ball. No cones needed, just divide your players into pairs and give every pair a ball. Here's how it looks. One player serves the ball with a light underhand toss and the other player heads it back. Pairs switch roles and repeat with no more than 10 repetitions per stage for safety, progressing from one position to the next. First up is sitting. The header sits on the ground with their feet in front of them while the server stands nearby. The header tries to hit the ball between their middle and upper forehead, back to the tosser, like this. Emphasize the correct spot to make contact with limited movement of the neck. That means no nodding their head, instead thrusting their whole torso forward from the hips to strike the ball with their head, then following through to their target. Next is kneeling. The header kneels on the ground while the server stands 5 feet away. Same technique, maintaining proper form and using the torso to snap forward and attack the ball with power. Finally, standing. Headers stand up 5 feet from their partner and continue. Headers should stagger their feet, bend their knees, and attack each ball with the same motion. Bonus points for incorporating their arms for leverage. If they're ready to progress to jumping, you can add this step. Just don't exceed 30 reps across the session. With jumping, to create power, we want the header jumping through the ball when they head it, like that. Timing is a challenge here for many players. Another challenge? Keeping their eyes open. It's tempting for players to close their eyes, but that increases their risk of hitting the ball too high or on their nose. Ouch! Coaches, this game is only appropriate for players who are old enough and who are trained to accurately, correctly, and safely head the ball. That means knowing the right position to make contact and not moving their neck too much, if at all. Always consult your league's safety guidelines and rules first. Remember, correct form, alternate turns, attack the ball. Now that's using your head.